morning, students. I hope you all are doing great at your places and you all are taking good care of your health. And today we'll be starting with the articles, one of the most important part of grammar. So let's begin. Title of our chapter is the articles, right? There is a warm-up exercise that you have to fill in the blanks with the suitable articles where it is required and put cross where it is not required. This is a boy. You can write it, a boy, right? A boy, an unicorn, right? An owl, right? Next is the India. I think India के आगे कोई article नहीं लगेगा, right? The Indian ये लगेगा, right? The Ramayan obviously लगेगा. A book, right? You can put cross over here. Aman, the Aman. I think it's a name. No article. The Indian Ocean बिल्कुल लगेगा, right? So there are three articles, a, an, and the. Articles, they are used before nouns and adjectives in order to refer to a particular person, places, and thing. ए और एन हमारे indefinite articles होते हैं. They are used with the countable nouns के साथ use होते हैं सिर्फ. And the is the definite article and it is used with both singular as well as plural countable nouns. A is used before the word जिसको consonant के साथ sound होता है. A book, a chair, a toy, a house, a horse, a good boy, a good boy, etc. Right? And is used before a vowel and used before a word with a vowel sound. जैसे कि an owl, an intelligent, an organ, an axle, right? And an apple, etc. There is a fact file that words that begin with a vowel, they have a consonant sound, मतलब a, right? जैसे कि a university, a unicorn, a useful recipe, a European. देखिए कैसी आवाज आ रही है, कॉन्सोनेंट की साउंड आ रही है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे a unicorn आएगा. Corrected, this is a unicorn. Next is words that begin with a consonant but उनकी sound vowel होती है तो they are used with an. For example, an hour, an honest woman, an hair, etc. Use of a और an को हम कहाँ use करेंगे? This article a and they are used in the following cases. To refers to something for the first time. जैसे कि I met a man on the road. She saw an anaconda in the pond. To refers to a single, not particular object or person. I want to eat a banana from that bunch. She wants me to buy an umbrella from that lot, right? To indicate a single object, किसी भी single object या person को indicate करना. We have an oak tree and a banyan tree in the courtyard. To indicate a regular occurrence of something, किसी को regular occurrence है. Her school is open for a week for extra classes and once in a week we visit the temple. Next is to indicate a class. A car is faster than a bike. An owl is wiser than a crow. To indicate a member of a group, जैसे कि जय की sister एक nurse है and he is an Englishman, right? To indicate the quality and size with the emphasis, this is a small bag, these are those are a lot of chocolates, right? किसी चीज को compare करना है. Manu will be an Einstein when he grow older and Martin was a Lincoln in his youth. Before the nouns को अगर हमें कुछ exclaim करना है, what a great book, what an old monument. Before individual letters, she is a BSc, he is an MP. In case of कुछ phrases में जैसे he was in a great hurry to reach the bus stop and these toys are a nuisance, right? Where we can use the. So uses of the. Article the is used in the following cases before a noun that has already been referred to. जैसे कि the lady I met at school, it turned out to be my aunt. वो मेरी aunt है. To indicate a particular person, places and things के लिए the boys of St. Paul's School, they won the basketball match and she went to the playground to search for the younger brother. Next is before a single countable noun that represents the whole class and of course a unique and common noun. This is the cheetah is the fastest animal on the earth. The blue whale is the largest mammal on the earth and the sun is the center of the solar system. Before adjectives that are used as noun, जैसे कि the poor need your support. The young are the leaders of tomorrow. Before only some proper nouns, जैसे कि names of rivers, oceans, seas, deserts, famous book, countries and geographical features. Have you visited the United Kingdom? Vivekanand read the Ved at a very young age and Atlantic Ocean जो है, it is the busiest ocean in the world. Before the superlative degree of adjective, iron is the hardest metal. India is the most popular country in the world. Along with ordinal. Ordinal का मतलब क्या होता है? The second Q. First, second जो हम पढ़ते हैं, the second Q moves slowly like a snail. The first man to land on the moon is of course Neil Armstrong. Before the names of the musical instrument, I am hearing the piano, Before adverbs, that is used to show the comparison. The sooner you complete the work, the better it will be for both of us. Before the abstract noun, जो कि work करते हैं as a feature और कोई भी attribute, तो she was touched by the kindness of a total stranger, right? और Androsil was hurt by the cruelty of his master. से वो hurt हो गया था. To indicate the people of a country and a continent, the British, they ruled over India for around hundreds of years, and the submarines, they were the first people to develop a written language, right? Along with the uncountable nouns के साथ भी use होता है. The education has received as a younger, the education he received as a younger it was insufficient, right? कुछ word, some word combinations के साथ on one hand, and of course on the other hand the place is too expensive, so Gandhiji spoke nothing but the truth, right? There is a fact file that articles को हम determiners भी बोलते हैं. Omission of the articles, कहाँ पे आपको article नहीं लगाने हैं. Article is omitted in the following cases: before the name of the substance, and of course before the uncountable abstract noun. जैसे salt is harmful for the patients जिनका हाई बीपी रहता है, उनको salt नहीं देना चाहिए. Cleanliness is next to God lines, right? Before plural countable nouns that are used in the general sense, books are stocked in the library and children love holidays. बच्चों को holidays बहुत पसंद है. Before the proper nouns, जैसे कि name of the people, continents, countries, etc., cities, इन सब के पीछे article नहीं लगेगा. I lived in Tokyo, it's in Japan. Aman is my best friend, right? Before the name of the meal, जो कि आप बात करते हैं एकदम general sense में, is lunch ready? Dinner was delicious. बहुत ही अच्छा dinner था. Before the names of the languages and subject, mathematician, or you can say mathematics is my favorite subject. हमारी class teacher जो है हमें English पढ़ाती हैं. Before words जैसे कि school, college, bed, hospital, market, prison. I go to school by the school van and he has an extra class at the college today. Before the names of relatives such as father, mother, and sister. Father went on a world tour and my uncle and aunt, इन्होंने हमको बुलाया. In some cases जैसे कि to take place, to take interest in, right? On foot, by train, from head to toe, right? To take care of, day by day, mistake, to lose heart, right? There is a quick short recap. an और the ये articles होते हैं. A और an indefinite article होते हैं. The एक definite article है. Article A is used before a word, before a noun that gives a consonant sound. Article an is used before a noun जिसके अंदर एक कैसी आवाज होती है, vowel sound. Article the is used before the unique person, place, animal and thing, and articles, they are not used before proper nouns and abstract noun, etc., right? Now moving on to the exercise, first we'll be completing with this OMR sheet. Articles are dash type. Articles, they are of three types, right? This is the correct use of the article, that is a crow, right? This is the correct use of an, it is an apple, right? This is the correct use of the Indian Express, all, it's the, right? Moving on to this, take the correct option and you have to fill in the blanks. Man is the animal that can communicate with language. So man is an animal. Man एक animal है जो कि communicate कर सकता है language में. There are many birds flying in the sky, right? What dash an honest man? What an honest man, right? Brutus conspired against the great Caesar, right? Next World Cup will be is to be held in the West Indies, right? Dash, the bird in the hand is better than the two in the bush, right? Dash, student should be polite and obedient. A student should be polite and obedient, and gold is the expensive metal. You have to fill in the blanks with the correct articles. The doctor prescribed a strong medicine to cure the patient, right? I waited for her an hour under the shade of the umbrella, right? The world is the largest home for all the animals. I met a poet, मैं एक poet से मिला, and a doctor at the seminar. Read the first and the second lesson. These are the ordinals. Aman likes to eat an apple daily. The wisdom of Bible, Birbal, it's Birbal नहीं है, it's Birbal है. It was great. The United States of America is known as the US or USA or the US, right? So that was all about articles. Please go through this and learn where you have to use the articles, where you have to omit them. Keep doing hard work and stay blessed. Thank you.